I'm so excited to be here again to announce our latest release. Once again, we have delivered the best version of AdvancedMD ever. Internally, we coined this release the Season of Love. We have focused even more intently on quality, ideas submitted by you on Hub, and overall performance and stability. In this release, we delivered on 31 of your ideas based on 419 votes. Thank you. We understand you rely on AdvancedMD as a platform to help you take care of your patients and run your business. We are 100% dedicated to making your day-to-day experience as frictionless as possible. We have made improvements across our suite to help make your jobs even more efficient. We made improvements across claims processing, appointment scheduling, ERA processing, e-prescribing, prescription drug monitoring on mobile, labs and patient portal, telehealth, and so much more. We are thrilled to be continuing our beta program for payer contractual reimbursement tracking, credit card on file worklists, and much more. The feedback we collect during our beta testing periods is critical to ensuring that our final products meet your highest expectations. Our teams are listening, researching, and validating what we learn to ensure that we are working on what you need most. I am so proud of our teams for the work they have done to deliver this release, and I am thankful for your trust in all of us. I am now thrilled to hand the reins over to our amazing product managers to help you experience the newest AdvancedMD.
This is one of our largest releases ever, with 9 new practice management features and 6 in beta rollout. We're excited to showcase each feature and create awareness of workflow changes. It is our goal to continuously improve our software and your experience in ways that deliver productivity gains for you and your staff. Claim status inquiry now runs in real time. You can set claim statuses to run every 15 days. You can more easily reduce manual work and efficiently work accounts receivable faster. We added a link and this new message indicator to the collection by visit worklist and the collections visit detail screens. Having a notification and a direct link to the claim status screen helps you keep focused on the collections process without having to leave the collections module. Hub is our customer community portal. This homepage has been redesigned for a richer experience. It's much faster to find all the AdvancedMD information you need. The page features a search bar so you can search help files, knowledge base, and video training library, all from a single browser window. The claims reprocessing workflow has been redesigned in Mass Rebill. You can now batch rebill to carriers. You get a more streamlined and efficient experience. Search capabilities are enhanced so you can easily see items selected to be rebilled. You have the option to add a custom collection note. A rebill history report is also now available. For mental health practices, the group appointment workflow has been streamlined with appointment group notes. You can now capture a general group note as well as private notes for each patient. Both note types are captured from the same familiar screen. You can document specific notes, which helps increase the quality and effectiveness of your care. We have added 5 custom claim fields for workers' comp. You can now enter body area, insurance adjuster name, insurance adjuster address, managed care organization, and nurse care manager for case management data. We enhanced ERA automation email notifications so you can view rule details, check date, check number, count of payments that did not post due to error, and count of payments that were processed by ERA automation. The new qualified registry report includes all the required clinical quality measures data, such as tax ID number. Once your data is exported, you can upload it to a qualified third-party registry vendor. You can then easily review the quality measure performance rates prior to submitting your data to CMS. The new Consumer Assessment of Healthcare Providers and System Survey is a regulatory report that supports the MIPS incentive program, which earns a performance-based payment adjustment to Medicare payments based on patient care experience. The report includes detailed patient visit information for professional and institutional charges, including procedure and diagnosis codes, and patient email addresses. When we have features that are not quite ready to be released in our standard release cycles, we put them in a beta status. A few clients have early access to these beta features and help us test the functionality. I'm pleased to announce we have many of these beta features that are very close to being released. Let's now look at all that will soon be available. The write-off calculation on all payment screens is getting a major enhancement and includes ERAs. Our new payer contractual reimbursement tracking makes it easier to ensure you are getting the payments you expect. You can control how the write-off is calculated, either by allowed amount or by expected amount. We also added a specific RARC or payment reason code so you can more easily track under or over payments. Our new credit card on file Worklists simplify the patient payment process. You can now more easily manage expiring cards, work declined payments, track contact attempts, and schedule follow-up calls. Prioritized tasks can now be assigned to staff for more efficient administrative workflow. Solicited claim attachments let you send needed documents for denied claims by fax or mail. You can send EOBs and appeals directly to a carrier to streamline workflow and reduce labor. As with unsolicited claim attachments, you can attach documents from all charge entry and edit screens by importing, scanning, and selecting documents from the chart files. The status of all attachments is now available, making it easier to track within the claim attachment screen. We have redesigned our e-remittance review and details screens. This ERA Center gives you a more streamlined and efficient experience. This will allow your practice to search, review, and post multiple payments faster. New settings in our fee schedules make creating and updating fees faster and easier. You can now assign custom charge amounts by provider type, allowing you to bill out different amounts for the same service based on provider level. Our new Payer EDI Gateway makes your EDI enrollment process faster and easier, improving your time to collections. You can create, submit, and track the status of enrollments for claims, remittance, and eligibility natively within our practice management. Easily manage enrollments without visiting third-party websites or dealing with dozens of emails.
Our product and user experience teams have continued to make substantial changes to improving clinical efficiency and workflow productivity. In this release, you will experience many new features designed to enhance your overall clinical and mobile experience. Much of what you are about to see is based on client feedback. We've made significant enhancements to our medication card. The Save, Sign, and Send buttons are always visible, so you can easily access these actions without scrolling. Commonly used fields such as ICD and Do Not Fill Until are now visible on the main form for more efficient data entry. Easily search for the patient preferred pharmacy. You can now search by pharmacy phone number. Field shading helps with visibility. The action menu can now be accessed by right-clicking anywhere in the medication card. Once the menu is open, common actions are readily available. Search shows the lowest dosage drug group first. You can now refresh the medication status by clicking this new icon. This saves time because pending medications are updated in the list without refreshing the patient chart or navigating to the eSend status screen. Patient status is now visible in most Dashboard Donut work lists, including pharmacy requests. This informs prescribers while processing renewal requests for patients no longer with your practice. Our favorite maintenance screen has been updated to mirror the new medication card. Access the same drug search and medication form fields to create, edit, and remove saved medication favorites. You can now copy your list of favorite medications to multiple providers in your practice. A new medications work list shows those that have not been sent. From the Prescriptions Donut work list, you can now sign multiple prescriptions for multiple patients. A new filter shows medications that have been signed but not sent or printed. This filter prevents medications from being lost and ensures they are sent promptly. Our e-prescribing now supports multiple DEA numbers for multiple states within a single login. You can set up the provider profile with alternate profiles. For each state you practice in, you can set a single profile and include your respective DEA number. You can link the primary provider profile to one login per clinician. By simply selecting the profile on the prescription for the state, you can save time and streamline the e-prescribing process. The Vitals card can now be expanded to a full window in the patient chart. You can also print graphs and growth charts directly from the card. The single-column schedule on the EHR dashboard unifies access to the provider's daily schedule. You can now choose to view blocks or non-appointment breaks in your schedule. You can also see which appointments are telehealth. While reviewing the Open Items Donut Worklist on the EHR dashboard, an indicator shows which items are waiting for your signature. This differentiates Worklist items that are not signed from items that are flagged as My Turn to Sign. We have added a new section to the Results Donut Worklist to show lab results received and unmatched or unlinked to a patient. This new section allows you to review incoming results faster and easier. You can also quickly link unmatched results to the proper patient. A new column in the Messages Donut Worklist shows the status of your patient and staff messages. Quickly see which staff members completed shared action items in the queue. Charges that require duration to calculate units, such as our claim same-day roll-up feature, can now be captured within the provider workflow. Administrators can map a duration field inside the provider note when passing charges from the provider to the patient account. We recently added a new lab result narrative for inclusion in clinical messaging. We are making this narrative visible to the patient while viewing lab results in the patient portal. This new communication tool keeps patients informed of their test results promptly, with detailed explanations to help patients better understand their results. Our inbound and outbound clinical information exchange tools have been recently updated to capture and send new USCDI data elements. In addition to sending the new lab result narrative, you can also send ICD-10 codes in the problem list, care team information from the care team card, and imaging and pathology narratives. See our help files for more information on sending patient data. We've made many enhancements to our clinical quality reporting tools. You can delete more than one report at a time. CMS MIPS quality participants can now filter the measure selection list by measure type and measure specialty. You can also see which measures are assigned high priority. We have added an episode-based measure column on the patient list screen. For each denominator episode, you can ensure proper documentation in the numerator or exclusion criteria. A measure summary section displays the list and number of measures selected. Before the ECQM report is queued, you can review the measure summary section for your preferred measures. We have added the 2023 benchmarks. When viewing the measure performance rate dashboard, you can hover over the performance rate to see the CMS benchmark. We develop our cloud applications to deliver productivity gains across your entire practice. Our mobile apps help you maintain work continuity and productivity outside your office. We believe having full-time access to your clinical data can help you stay connected and provide better care. Our clinical mobile app has undergone several changes, and I'm excited to show you all that's new. For those wanting to use the prescription drug monitoring program, you can now access the PDMP electronic database while prescribing from the mobile app. Real-time access helps ensure patient safety and allows providers to make informed prescribing decisions. You can now manually enter lab results and add in-house or other manual test results straight to the patient chart immediately as they are received.
Our patient engagement product here is refined, automated, and part of our all-in-one cloud platform. Our product and engineering teams continue to ensure you can enjoy a unified workflow experience with synchronized information accessible across all roles of your practice. In this release, we have made it possible for patients to engage in their healthcare experience in more meaningful ways. We've added new functionality for your staff to improve the patient experience. Our patient portal has received several upgrades. Messaging now includes time zone adjustment, a new field in the global messaging template. By default, your reminders now are sent in the patient's local time zone. When this field is unchecked or disabled, you remove the time zone stamp and time adjustment for patient messaging. Patient Portal now displays the lab result narrative in lab results and chart summary. We fixed several bugs in the review screen of our patient forms. You can accept and clear forms. Missing patient signatures now appear. Enhancements inside messaging templates now let you add provider title to merge fields. Like we've historically offered in our practice management, we now include real-time status updates in the EHR provider list view prior to a telehealth call. During your telehealth visits, you have new features: noise cancellation, picture-in-picture, and Mirror My Video. To help you monitor network quality during your telehealth visits, we now include an indicator that displays network strength. There are several tools to help improve patient experience. A 5-star review survey is presented after each call. To help troubleshoot performance issues, a call health panel has been added within the settings menu. Online scheduling has new administrative fields. Additional setup options and system settings give you more fields that can be required, displayed, or hidden. When patients book an appointment, they have a text box to enter additional details. These details appear in the Worklist and on the appointment. Our messaging campaigns have new features that let you select by appointment date, appointment provider, appointment facility, and appointment column. We hope this video has been helpful. Please visit our release page for the most up-to-date resources. You'll find a shareable link to this video, a downloadable desk guide that showcases all features and descriptions, and a link to register for our online educational training event that should last a little less than 2 hours. You can always access release documents in the Help menu or on the Practice Management dashboard. Thank you.